Got a Ticketmaster ticket stuck in your Apple Wallet and need to send it to a friend or family member? No problem, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer those tickets in under 2 minutes. First, open your Apple Wallet and select the Ticketmaster ticket you want to transfer. Then, look for the 3 dots, usually in the top right corner of the ticket screen. Tap on those dots. A menu will pop up. In that menu, find the option that says Share Ticket and go ahead and tap on that as well. This will bring up the standard iOS share sheet. Now you can choose how you want to send the ticket. You can text it, email it, or use any of the available sharing options. If you choose messages, for example, just enter the recipient's phone number or select them from your contacts. The ticket link will automatically be pasted into the message. After sending the link, the recipient will receive a unique link to claim the ticket. They'll need a Ticketmaster account to accept it. After they accept the ticket, it will automatically be removed from your wallet. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully transferred the ticket. It's that quick and simple.